Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TS-025. I'm back again to talk to you about Land Rovers, specifically the 1999 to 2001 Range Rover and Discovery. This time we want to investigate the symptom of a knocking sound while the starter is operating or starter failure. The cause of this symptom is that the starter pinion may be coming in contact with the original style drive plate balance plates during starter engagement. Now, Land Rover has actually come up with a solution for this one. They offer a new configuration drive plate balance weight. They have been developed to eliminate potential contact with the starter during engagement. Please refer to Land Rover TSB 860801 NAS for part replacement and service procedures. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a Remy.